any team can build a custom AI agent in minutes. What's more, you don't need any technical knowledge. Step 1. Log into Nexos.ai Workspace and navigate to the AI Agents tab and click on Browse Templates. Here, you'll find all available agent templates, and in this video, I'll build a Sales Call Summaries AI Agent by using one of these templates. The agent will take call transcripts and deliver a formatted executive summary along with MEDDIC assessment. Click Use Template to create your agent. Step 2. This template doesn't have a model predefined, so you can grab whichever suits your needs the most. Something like Google's Gemini, OpenAI's GPT, or Anthropic's Opus should work the best for this agent. Step 3. The creativity level. For this use case, I suggest sticking to guided, as we want the AI agent to base the summary on what was actually said on the call, and add extra details only when it's really necessary. Step 4. The instructions have been pre-filled by the template, but you can adjust them at any given point. For example, you can change the tone of voice or the scope of the summary. Step 5. Optionally, you can connect your apps and work tools. You should consider toggling on the Google Drive, as this will allow the model to pull all the transcriptions created from Google Meet's recordings. You will have to simply ask your agent to grab them from your drive. Now, let's test it. In the panel on the right, I'll ask the agent to pull a transcription file from a fictional meeting I had with a purchasing manager of a fictional company called Quackco, a premium rubber duck manufacturer. There you go. We see a quick summary of the call. Now you can focus on the work that truly needs you. Head over to nexos.ai and try this template for free.